Dennis Chandai.
Dennis?
One of the forest guides.
Okay.
And if we take the visitors inside in the forest, we welcome them.
Yeah.
And maybe can share the information when we are going to hike inside the forest.
Dennis has a wealth of knowledge about this rainforest, and he has something to show me.
Huyu sasa ndio Mtikuyu.
Hii ndio Mtikuyu.
Mtikuyu.
Yeah. So, this is one of our sceneries tree.
Yeah.
We call it Elcon teak.
Yeah.
It's one of the hardest tree inside in the forest.
Yeah.
At the same time, people use as a herbal medicine from it. They normally extract the juice, the bark. Then you can boil the barks to get some protein medicine. Mostly for people who are allergic.
Oh, so ukiwa na allergies.
Hiyo Mtikuyu inatusaidia.
So if you have an allergic reaction, sasa ndio unachukua.
This is mostly the new one tunatumia.
Mtikuyu.
But eventually,
is this found anywhere else?
Yeah, we have some areas you can find, like in Mount Elgon.
Mount Elgon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but in future we are going to lose it because it has been attacked by the strangler fig.
Oh,
the strangler fig mostly they're being dispersed by the primates.
Yeah.
So you find during germination it has spent the air roots to get the nutrients through the moving particle as a silent process.
Yeah.
So in the future you find the root reach on the ground, they get nutrients from the soil.
Yeah.
At the same time on the host tree. So you will find the canopy of the parasitic cover the canopy of the host.
Oh.
So this one will lose light and then it will start to decompose.
Yeah.
It's going to die. We are going to remain with the
fig tree.
Yeah.
This forest is a sanctuary of a biodiversity found nowhere else in Kenya. The 380 species of plants in this forest are clearly evident as we move along. There's a steep climb that proves to test your endurance.
Hapa, mtu akitaka kupata nguvu ya miguu. Hapa ni mahali pazuri sana.
One gets rewarded by an amazing view of the forest from above.
Wow!
Service, we want to ensure that this forest remains as natural as possible.
Yeah.
So what we are doing is to ensure that the biodiversity that is remaining, ibaki hivyo the way it was.
Now you know why this forest made the perfect start point for the second edition of the Magical Kenya Trail series. Teams gathered at the gate the following morning, ready to experience the magic of the forest.
1, 2, 3.
After getting some energy going and the official flag off, the team hits the trails.
We have many causes why trees fall in the forest, like others normally fall due to old age. Like this one just fell down due to old age. Others normally fall down whenever it rains here, normally rain, heavy rain with some thunder and strong wind. So they'll force many trees to fall down. Yeah. And whenever trees will fall here, like we have some mushroom will grow on a dead wood. We have some insect will live here. Whenever they decompose, they add nutrients to the ground. So we normally say that leave nature the way you found it. Like we normally just cut to make the trail, and then leave the tree to rot from where it is, because it's a home for other animals.
is not just a forest, but a vibrant cradle of life to its ecosystem and Kakamega town. You can not only hike or cycle here, but can also take a drive inside the forest. Lazima gari ikue 4x4. However, it is good not to. It tends to get muddy in some sections of the road. Kwanza kukinyesha, hata gari ndogo itatafuta gumboots.
If you're here with me, you'll be able to listen to the sounds of the forest. Kuna sijui cricket ndio hiyo imeanza. Other insects. Scare some things flying. Kuna butterfly. I think kuna bees. Nika symphony of sounds. It's very pretty, very beautiful.
All in all, the Kakamega Forest makes for a great remnant of the past and a perfect opportunity for a refreshing trail, be it through cycling or, my favorite, hiking.